We'll start the demo class, okay? First of all, let me share my screen. Guys, is my screen visible? Everyone?
Yes.
Oh, great. Okay, thanks for joining everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Microsoft Power Platform. This is the first demo class, okay? So before jumping into the Microsoft Power Platform introduction, we'll quickly introduce myself. So myself, Vijay, I am a Microsoft Technology trainer and solution consultant, okay? So I have 10 plus years of experience and I did many certifications. Few of them are AI, Artificial Intelligence 102, Microsoft 900, and Power Platform 900 certifications. I have very good experience into different domains and I am a expertise in a different domains such as 9 domains, okay? And here we'll follow 100% practical methodology to provide the better experience and better knowledge to the students. So since I told you right, I am expertise in Microsoft technologies. Coming to my stack is M365, SharePoint, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Azure Service, and AI services, Dataverse. I have extensive experience on this Microsoft stack along with the AI features and AI services. I think you already knows about Vinatech guys. It's a very good institute where it will provide better courses with a practical knowledge. So here, since I have 10 plus years of experience in industry, so here we will cover 100% hands-on project-based training and we'll cover live demos and practical exercise every session for every session. Okay. So we provide real-time industry use cases like scenarios from actual enterprise level deployments. And also guys, in Vinaytech, we will provide interview preparation and guidance for you to crack the interviews. And we'll provide question and answers, mock interviews, architect discussions. Okay. We provide best practices and solution design. And we'll provide architecture patterns and design principles as well. So this is a like corporate and individual training. So you can connect me at any time. I will be available throughout the day, 24 by 7. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me directly. After join the class, if you have any doubts for the same class or any scenarios, you can directly contact me at any time. Okay. Definitely, I will assist you guys. And this is the training methodology that Vinatech is following. Okay. The training program focuses on practical learning approach with a live demonstrations and will provide hands-on exercises and will provide assignments, will give real-time scenarios and will prepare the interview oriented discussions to ensure participants gain both theoretical knowledge as well as practical expertise. Because if I teach you about a course lesson, right, you can only gain the knowledge. Sometimes you will not gain practical experience, right? So here we'll conduct the practical experience sessions as well on the Power platform. So coming to this live demonstrations. So trainer led live builds on actual M365 and Power Platform environments. Okay. No slides only theory. That means basically from Vinaytek side, we will not only show the presentation and explain the theory part. We will conduct the live build sessions on the Microsoft Power Platform. Okay. And second one is the hands-on exercises. So students will build real apps and flows dashboards during every session with a guided support. I will provide the assignments as well. Okay. So in the end of this class, okay, at the end of every class, we will provide assignments as well. Okay. So on the same class, same day topics, you need to practice. Okay. So to practice that, from Vinaytech house side, we will give assignments as well. And coming to real-time scenarios. So we will provide enterprise use cases drawn from actual projects. So actual projects is nothing but at an enterprise level. So based on the business requirement, we will provide enterprise real-time scenarios such as IT help desk, HR systems, approval workflows. These are few enterprise level projects. And also the last one is interview oriented Q&A. Here, architect level discussions, questions, and scenario based answers mock interview preparation. So, from Vinay Tech House, we will provide interview Q&A for the same topic on the same day. Okay, you can practice real time scenarios and assignments, and you can prepare interview questions on the same day topic covered. Since it is demo, we will not create any application using Power Platform. Okay. So these are the objectives, guys, that we are going to learn today. So what Power Platform is? Major modules overview, career opportunities, why companies use Power Platform, and what are the real-time use cases, roadmap of upcoming training. Okay. We will learn about these objects in today's demo class. This is the complete flow, guys, for today's demo class. So in the section 1, this is introduction that we already covered. So in the section 2, we will learn what is a digital transformation. Section 3, what is a Power Platform. And the section 4, all modules overview will be covered. And the section 5, real-time scenarios we will discuss. And in section 6, we'll discuss about career and market demand. Okay. So coming to digital transformation, we will discuss about 5 minutes, okay, about this digital transformation. Why digital transformation is coming up, okay. So let's take a mobile purchase example, okay. So before Flipkart and Amazon, you guys already knows about how to purchase a mobile from a physical store like Big C, any other physical stores, like from Samsung. So before Flipkart and Amazon, we used to buy a mobile by visiting a physical store. Okay. So whenever we visit a store, so we'll ask for a handset model, a particular handset model. Okay. If handset model is available, then we will buy and we will use that handset and we'll come back to our home. There is another scenario. If the mobile is out of stock, what is the next step? So we need to wait, right? We need to wait until it available, until that particular handset is available. And to check the tracking, see, basically a manager will take your contact number and he will say, okay, if mobile handset is available, the particular handset is available, I will get back to you, right? So we will wait for a call from the manager. In that case, there is no tracking system of order status of our particular handset model, whether it is available or not, right? So we will definitely frustrate. Since there is no tracking system, manager sometimes forget to intimate us, right? So this is a before digital transformation that we use to purchase a mobile, right? After Flipkart, Amazon, other websites introduced, right? Here we have clear picture while purchasing a mobile. So we'll place the order on online, right? We'll place the order in the online instantly. And as soon as we place the order, we can see our order tracking. So within the Flipkart on the particular mobile, right? So, and also it will show different statuses based on the status, whether it is shipped, whether it is packed or out of delivery or delivery, right? Here we can directly go to the Flipkart or Amazon. If you go to your purchase order, just click on that order. So it will take you to history place, right? History section. There you can see all the information of our placed order, right? And so for every step, this is a step basically. Packed is a one step, shipped is a one step, delivery is a one step. So, so for every step, we will get a notification, right? We will get a notification. And this is a seamless customer experience, right? So here with there is no tracking, right? We will not get any notification or any call. But here we will get a notification and we can see history. We can see tracking history as well, right? So and also we can get a notification for each and every step. So this is exactly what digital transformation does for business. This is basically for a mobile order tracking system, right? So similar to that, organizations also slowly transfer to digital transformation. Slowly convert to digital transformation. Okay. So this is the real-time enterprise level scenarios, guys. So till now we discussed about mobile purchase. Now we'll discuss it organization level, lack of approval history, approval process. Okay. So basically, a employee wants to take a leave. What employee will do? Basically, he will send an email to his manager, right? So manager has to reply saying that okay, you can take the leave, or no, you don't want to take the leave. So in that case, he will reject. Based on the manager reply, HR will update that information. For example, employee wants to take 3 days leave. Okay. Let's assume manager is approved for 3 days leave. HR wants to update his 3 days leave from so and so date, right? Then only the payroll system will update the number of leave days, and based on that payroll system, people will credit the salary by cutting 3 days of leave for the entire month. Okay. This is a manual process. Okay. Basically here, since it is a manual process, delays, sometimes manager may get delay, and there are some human errors may occur, no tracking system, difficult in reporting. Reporting that one, like how many days the employee took the leave and everything, it is difficult to handle the reporting, right? So here basically this is a traditional HR leave process before Power Platform. Okay. So this is the email dependency. Basically, managers misses email, and that employee sends email may go to spam into manager Outlook or email. Sometimes manager may busy and HR not included. Sometimes employee will forget to include HR, right? And there is no proper tracking. While applying a leave, there is no proper tracking, like who applied and who approved, who rejected, what is their leave balance, number of days, right? And there are chances like human errors. While HR entering the number of leave days, HR may enter wrong dates, right? Missing names, he may enter some wrong names of the employee, right? So sometimes if HR deleted a formula, that will calculate in a wrong dates, right? And third to last one is the difficult reporting. So if you want to generate a report, how many employees took the leave, okay? What is the leave balance for each employee? So it is difficult to reporting in the Excel, right? So this is where a digital transformation is introduced, and nowadays every organization is using digital transformation process. Are you clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is the digital transformation with Power Platform. So for digital transformation, whenever we order a mobile, that is basically we will use Amazon and Flipkart to mobile purchase, right? So in this leave process, at organization level, organization has started using Power Platform to mitigate the issues, okay? To mitigate the issues and automate the business processes. See here, employee submits a leave request within the Power Apps, okay? Manager gets instant notification by using Power Automate. We will implement this notification process using Power Automate. HR records update automatically. So HR records automatically will update in the Dataverse. Okay. So dashboard updated real time. Basically, this is a Power BI. Okay. Dashboard automatically gets updated from the Dataverse into Power BI. Here the digital process. This is a digital process. It is fast and accurate and a trackable system. The mail generation and everything will be automated. This entire process will be happening within a seconds, few seconds. Okay. This is a key message, guys. Power Platform digitizes manual business process quickly. That means it will automate the business process without human intervention. It is just not a tool. Okay. It is a platform that converts slow manual business operations into fast automated digital solution. See, Power Platform is a platform. So which is integrated with the different components. Okay, different components together to make the business process automate. What are those components? Power Apps. This is Power Automate, Dataverse, Power BI. Okay, these all work together by integrating each other. Okay, so what are type of business applications in real world basically? How many types of business applications in real world? So we'll discuss about types of business applications now. One is portal application, second one is a dynamic web application, third one is a static web application. Okay. So what is portal applications? External facing applications or customers or partners. Okay. External facing applications. Examples. Examples are basically customers, self-service portals or vendor portals. These are basically a portal applications. And coming to dynamic web application. Dynamic web application. So then data-driven apps. These are data-driven apps with a real-time content. These are our best examples. Flipkart and Amazon are best example for dynamic web application because it is data-driven, right? We can personalize our data and there will be definitely a database backend to maintain the tracking system, to maintain the purchase order history log and everything, right? These are dynamic web applications. So last one is a static web application. What is static web application? Static web application is nothing but fixed content applications with minimal backend logic. Basically, these are the examples, guys. Brochures, landing pages, informational sites. Let's take a real estate application. For every real estate company, they will maintain a real estate site. It will have only brochure information, right? So we no need to register or log in, right? We can go to the any real estate site and we can see the plans and available information for that particular real estate site, right? So these are real estate sites are best example for static web application. And coming to portal application, basically these are college sites. We can take college sites as example of portal applications because a student will go to the college site and they can raise a request for registration, right? They can go to the college site and they can register for submit application, right? So those are college sites are best example for portal applications. If student wants to take the admission, he will go to the college site and submit his information so that college team will get back the student. So why this power platform become so popular? Why this power platform become so popular? So the point one is it's a basically fast development. In the traditional development, it may take months or years of phases and testing deployment. And massive advantage for business if you use our platform. Otherwise, it may take months to years. Hello guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, great. I thought I lost connection. Okay, fine. So we are at point one, right? In the point one, basically we are discussing about development. If you use the traditional development, what was the traditional development? If you want to build the application, so traditional developers will create a application by using either C# or Java or some other language. It may take months to years to complete the application, right? So if you use the Power Apps, so since it is already working app connected, so we can directly connect to the SharePoint or Dataverse in 1 or 2 days. Okay, we can build the application within a week or a month. Okay, so to connect the SharePoint or Dataverse databases, we can directly connect in a 1 or 2 days. So this is massive advantage for business. Okay, and coming to point two, it is low coding or no coding and citizen development. Who are citizen development? Basically, AHR, any other manager. Basically, citizen development. When we talk about citizen development, so they only can create application. They cannot write formulas, perfect formulas. Okay, at that place, definitely a developer needs a Power Platform developer is needed. Okay. And coming to citizen developers who can create application HR, operation team, finance, and build their own solutions, but only basic level. They cannot build in-depth level. Okay. And coming to forms, dashboard, workflow approvals without full IT dependency. Right? You can create forms. Forms are nothing but pages. Dashboards are nothing but Power BI. Okay. And workflows are nothing but automate the business process, and you can build the approvals process without fully IT dependency. Okay. Developers extended with JS, APIs, Azure functions, ECF controls. Okay. So a developer can extend their knowledge with JS, JavaScript, APIs, Azure functions, and PCF controls. So basically, you will not deal with these features. Okay. Traditional developers will develop all these things. You will just utilize, integrate those features into our platform. No need to worry about these JavaScript APIs, Azure functions, and other controls. So point number three, this is Microsoft ecosystem integration. Since this is the Microsoft Power Platform, it is integrated within the Microsoft system. Okay, so it directly seamlessly it will connect to the Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, Excel, Azure, Dynamic 365. Okay. If it is a traditional development, it may take lot of time to integrate with the Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, and other these other tools. It may take many days to integrate if we develop a traditional application. But if you use a Power Platform, so these are all already integrated within the Microsoft ecosystem. So forms in Power Apps. Okay, we will create a forms in Power Apps. We'll store the data in either in a SharePoint or Dataverse. No need to rebuild everything from scratch because Power Platform is providing a application, a platform where you can integrate and start developing. No need to integrate anything. Okay. This is the beauty of Power Platform. It's stuck actually. Okay. So this is the architecture, guys. Okay, this is the architecture. These are the main products. So this is the Microsoft Power Platform. Okay. So within the Microsoft Power Platform, Power Apps is a core component, one of the core component. Power Automate is the one of the core component, and Dataverse, it will act as a database for Power Apps and Power Automate. And there is a Copilot Studio. This is AI powered chatbot tool. Okay. So there is Power Pages. So and Power BI. So with the Power BI, we can create different dashboards. Okay, KPI. We can create a KPIs. And with the Power Pages, we can create external facing websites. I will explain you about external facing websites. And Copilot Studio. This is AI chatbot, similar to in our Flipkart, right? Whenever if you want to order a item or cancel existing ordered item, you can just go to the chatbot and you will just prompt it. Like I want to cancel the order. So automatically the chatbot will cancel the order without human intervention. So the Copilot Studio also similar to that, but it will work in the organization level under this Microsoft Power Platform. Okay. So in our class, in our Power Platform course, we will cover Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, Dataverse. Okay. Power BI is a separate course that is providing by Vinitech, and Copilot Studio we will provide separate class. Okay, separate course for this Copilot Studio. So this is the module overview, guys. Build a business application without heavy coding, like Java or .NET. Okay, like Java or .NET. So visually design screens using drag and drop controls. Even a business analyst can create apps quickly. So if you want to build an application in a traditional development, so it may take months to years. I already discussed, right? But if you want to build an application in traditional development using Java or .NET, we need to set up the environment. We need to set up the environment. That is nothing but we need to set up a server, set up a development integration, right? We need to set up a development integration as well as we need to take the license. We need to build from the scratch. But coming to Power Platform, no need to set up a infrastructure where we can build a application. It is already available. So Microsoft Power Platform is providing a already built-in integrations. No need to set up a server and other environments. So directly we can start working on the Power Platform. Okay, by dragging down the controls in a visual design screens. Okay, so we can create leave management applications, select dates, submit, manage notification, HR update. So we can create leave management application by using Power Platform. Okay. Also, we can create visitor management app, capture details, photos, notify employee, generate pass. Okay. We can create visitor management application as well. We can create asset tracking application as well. So where users will raise a request, check assigned assets, report damage. Okay. And we can create a expense claim applications where employees or other users will upload their bills from their mobile and the approval process automatically will be done. So we can create all these applications. And one more thing, guys, we can create all these four applications using traditional development, but it may take longer time than usual. Okay. So if you use the Power Platform within a week or month, we can create applications without setting up any development environment or any server installation. Okay. So there are two types of Power Apps, guys. One is Canvas app, model driven app, and the third one is the Power Pages. Okay. Third one is the Power Pages. Basically, we choose Power Canvas app whenever we want to take control over UI design. Okay. We can simply drag and drop the controls and galleries, drop downs, images, design like PowerPoint slides, mobile and plus tablet friendly. If you have experience on PowerPoint similar to that, we can design a Power Up Canvas application. So coming to model driven app, this is data driven and data focused auto generated platform where we build auto generated forms plus views, consistent enterprise UI and built-in security plus business logic. Basically, here we will design the application and UI, but here no need to design a UI. So you need to create tables in the Dataverse automatically. The forms and views will be generated. This is the use case, guys. So if you want to create mobile or tablet custom applications, you can choose the Canvas app. And coming to model driven app, if you want to implement customer relationship management applications or case management application, enterprise applications, you need to choose a model driven app. So module overview about Power Automate. So if Power Apps collects data from users, that means if users submit a leave request, Power Automate is used to automate the approval process. For approval process, it will send an email notification to manager HR. Okay. And HR will automatically approve the leave or reject the leave from mail notification itself. No need to come to the application. Okay. And also, if you want to create repetitive tasks, sending emails, approvals, notification, updating backend database, moving files from one location to another location, generating reports, everything can be done by Power Automate. This is the beauty of Power Automate. So we can create instant flows. There are different type of flows. One is instant flow, automated flow, scheduled flows. So instant flow, if you want to run these flows manually when user clicks button, right? When user click button. So if you want to run these flows manually, you need to choose the instant flow. Okay. So this is the example, guys. If you want to run this instant flow, you need to click the instant flow and it will send an approval request. So it will not automate the business process. Okay. It will just trigger flow, instant trigger flow. Okay. Coming to automated flow. So it will run automatically whenever a event happens. That means whenever a data record is created in the Dataverse or SharePoint, automatically this automated flow will be triggered. Okay. And it will send an email notification. And this is the example, guys. Item created in SharePoint. Whenever item created or record is created in Dataverse, this automated flows will automatically trigger based on our setup. Coming to schedule flows. See, these are repetitive tasks. If you want to run the flow based on time schedules, okay, based on time schedules. If you want to run a flow daily at 9 a.m., okay, you can create a schedule flow automatically. It will run it every day at 9 a.m. Okay, it will send a report or send an email notification. Okay, this is schedule flow. So no need to manual intervention, right? No need to human intervention, right? So it will automatically send an email notification every day at 9 a.m. These are different type of flows. So this already we discussed, right? Employee submits, Power Automate will trigger a flow, and manager will receive mail notification, and he will receive Teams notification as well. And in the backend, either it could be SharePoint or Dataverse, the uh, item record will be updated, HR notification automatically completed. So everything will be happen by using Power Platform within a week or months. Okay. This is Power BI, guys. This in this course we are not going to cover this Power BI, but I will explain you little bit. Okay. So data alone is not useful unless we can understand it. See, whenever you submit a request, the request will be stored in the backend database in a raw manner, okay, in unstructured manner, okay. Power BI converts the raw data into dashboards, charts, KPIs, and reports and insights. So the biggest advantage is basically real-time dashboard that automatically refresh. No need to refresh data. For example, one record is created for the leave request. So Power BI will display the report. See, if another record is created, another leave request is created for the same employee. So we need to check the reports, right? How many leave requests submitted by employee. So no need to refresh this Power BI. Automatically Power BI will get those added record into reports, and we can verify the reports. So this is basically auto refresh. So this is the built-in feature providing by Microsoft Power Platform for the Power BI. So we can see sales reports, HR analytics, and KPI tracking, financial report. We can develop all these reports by using Power BI. Coming to Power Pages, see, since I already told you guys, if you want to create external facing websites such as student applications, college sites, right? For the customers and vendors, partners, and citizens. If you want to create a external facing websites, we'll use the Power Pages. Okay. So Power Pages is part of Power Platform only. Okay. We can create vendor portals, student portals, custom support. We can create all these different type of portals by using Power Pages. Coming to Copilot Studio, as I told you, right, this is a Microsoft AI chatbot platform. So which is built in provide intelligent conversational bots by visually. Okay, it will provide visual bots, and by using Copilot Studio, we can create a chatbot, HR FAQ chatbot, IT support chatbot, employee assistant chatbot. So here, no human intervention is needed. Automatically, based on your prompt, it will generate the output or response. If you ask some question, it will provide the answer based on your prompt question. This is the complete ecosystem, guys, that I already explained you in the first slide. Okay. So this is Power Effects introduction basically. So if you have experience in creating Excel formulas, okay, if you have experience in creating Excel formulas, the Power Effects formulas are also similar to Excel formulas. If you want to customize, if you want to implement some logic in Power Platform, you will use the Power Effects formulas similar to Excel formulas. If you know the basic Excel formulas, you are already a big part of Power Effects. That means, see, here this is the Excel formula, guys. Okay. If you want to show the status is high or low based on the value. If the value is greater than 100, we will show high. Otherwise, we will show the low value in the Excel. To show this, to achieve this logic, you will write this particular Excel formula. Similar to that, in Power Platform also, we have similar kind of formulas. If you want to show Status is high or low, then you will use this particular power flex formula. The same formula, right? Here also it is there. In Excel, if is there. In Power Platform also, if is there. But slight syntax difference. Okay, slight syntax difference when we compare with the Excel formulas in PowerFX. So the same formula that we can apply here as well. Okay, guys, are you clear? No need to worry about coding. This is the only coding that we will call. Okay, we'll call this as a coding in Power Platform. Okay, these are few PowerFX formulas, guys. Notify. Okay, notify, filter, date difference. They are the traditional. Is if you want to create same logic, same formulas in traditional development, you need to write lot of code. But here, s- simple, you need to write notify function, filter function, date difference function. Okay, these are all formulas basically. So here, guys, no heavy setup is required. Use cases. Coming to use cases in apps, validating dates, mandatory field, success message, filter records, calculating leave days, hiding, showing buttons. Okay, these are the use cases in Power Apps. No heavy setup needed. No complex programming setup is needed. Okay, no need to write heavy coding and no need to install any softwares. Okay, no need to have CS background. That means computer science background. Build directly from browser itself. So coming to declarative concept, you tell the system what result you want. Okay. Microsoft will handles automatically these complex scenarios internally. Okay. This is industry and future importance. Companies cannot wait for 6 months for small apps when we use the traditional development. Okay. So even Copilot can generate PowerFX formulas automatically now. So if you don't know the PowerFX formulas, you can take the assistance from Copilot. So Copilot provide all the formulas. That means no need to learn more about coding as well. So this is already we discussed, right? We can skip this. And also we discussed about this particular Power Apps, HR fields, onboarding form, everything. We'll jump to next presentation. Already we discussed about all these things, okay? HR fields, onboarding form. So we can create forms. We can automate the business process. Okay, this is the database basically where the data is stored. Power BI will generate reports and KPIs. Okay. So every company, every company wants digital transformation. It's already started. Okay. Now AI is also introduced. Traditional development basically will take months to years, right? So instead of waiting, companies will choose Power Platform. Industries using Power Platform. Industries are using Power Platform. What are those introduced industries? Basically, banking, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, logistics, education, government, startups. Okay, all these we will call as domains. Okay, when we talk about enterprise level, this we will call as domains. So all banking domains, all these healthcare, all these domains are started using basically Power Platform. Okay. Common application built, leave management, approval flows, and onboarding apps, dashboards, vendor portals, AI chatbots, inspection apps. So all these we can develop by using Power Platform. Okay. So once you learn this Power Platform course, you will be a Power App developer. You can become a Power Automate developer. You can become a Power BI developer, you can become Power Platform consultant or solution architect. Okay, so we'll provide this Power Apps and Power Automate knowledge and experience, okay, in this course. So Power Apps developers, they will create forms and everything. And Power Automate developer will automate the business process. Power BI developer will generate reports. Power Automate consultant basically bridge business requirements plus technical implementations, need communication plus technical skills. If you want to become a Power Platform consultant, if you want to become a solution architect, you need to know about environment, security, governance, integrations, ALM. Slowly, you will learn about these all concepts. Okay. Basically, companies are not only hiring the traditional developers. They are also hiring low-code and no-code developers who can deliver solution faster. So, who can learn this Power Platform? Basically, freshers, support engineers, SharePoint developers, business analysts, right? Testers, non-technical users. Everyone can learn these Power Apps. Okay. Okay. This is the headings presentation, guys. In this demo. Okay. We covered almost all the topics. And this is basically 45 days duration course. Okay. It will be conduct for every day from Monday to Friday and for every 1 hour. For this is a 1 hour session. Okay. This is a 1 hour session for 45 days from Monday to Friday. We will cover Power Apps and Power Automate, data hours, some SharePoint related background in this 45 days. And tomorrow we have one more demo, that is second demo. We are providing two demos basically, first demo and second demo, following by actual course classes. Okay. And provide your email ID and basically guys, provide your email IDs and phone numbers. Okay. And phone numbers here to get the demo. Okay. Please provide your email ID and phone numbers to get the document and recording demo class. Guys, don't forget, okay? Please provide your email ID and phone numbers to get the document, guys, okay? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Do we need to ping in WhatsApp?
No, here only you can provide, okay? I will collect and save the
Yes.
demo videos and this documentation, entire documentation.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, I'm waiting for you, okay?
Hi, Vijay. I just missed you what you need to as an input.
Sorry?
I just
Rajesh?
missed you like what we have to give the input.
I didn't get you, Rajesh.
Like you are waiting now.
Yeah, no. Just provide your email ID and phone numbers here, okay? Just share me the email IDs and phone numbers in the same chart. I pinged you a chart, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Please share your email ID and phone numbers. Okay, guys. WB Tech, Rajeshwar. Yeah, okay. Thanks, everyone. So today I'm going to end up this demo class, okay? We'll continue tomorrow since we have second demo tomorrow. Okay? Thanks.
Thank you.